In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Hootsuite for LinkedIn in our 2025 edition. If you've been struggling to manage your LinkedIn presence effectively, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and walk through each step to make your LinkedIn interactions more efficient using Hootsuite. To get started, head over to hootsuite.com, and once you're there and logged in, take a look at the bottom left of your dashboard. You should see your profile picture, a good first point of reference. Go ahead and click it, then opt for social accounts and teams. This is where you can add new social networks, and naturally our focus today is on LinkedIn. Next, you'll want to click on plus add a social network. Now this step is crucial because it opens the door for us to integrate LinkedIn seamlessly. From the list available, choose LinkedIn and you'll be prompted to log into your LinkedIn account. Make sure you're logged into the correct LinkedIn profile to avoid any mix-ups. You'll then need to grant the necessary permissions to proceed. This might feel a bit formal, but it's just the standard way to ensure that Hootsuite can work its magic with your LinkedIn account. Once this is wrapped up, you'll be all set to start posting. Moving on to creating content, direct your attention to the left panel and click on Create, then select Post. This action sets the stage for your LinkedIn communications. Here, you'll select your LinkedIn profile or the specific page you intend to manage. With your profile or page selected, it's time to bring your content to life. Craft your caption with care, add the relevant links, and choose an image or video that complements your message. Remember, visual content is powerful on LinkedIn, so choose wisely. Now, decision time, post now or schedule for later. If you'd like more control over timing, use the date and time picker to schedule your post for maximum impact. This feature allows you to align your post with peak engagement times. Then, to keep track of your communications, navigate to the Streams section found in the left menu. It's a handy way to organize everything you need in one place. Consider adding a dedicated tab for LinkedIn where you can set up streams such as your posts, scheduled posts, and summary, and even mentions if you're managing a company page. Interacting with posts is as simple as liking, commenting, or sharing directly from Hootsuite, particularly useful if you're managing a page. You can keep the conversation going without switching platforms. Finally, for those insights that guide your strategy, move over to the Analytics section. This is where you can access comprehensive reports like post engagement, audience growth, and a performance overview. These analytics will provide valuable data to steer your future LinkedIn campaigns. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've equipped yourself with the tools to efficiently manage and enhance your LinkedIn presence through Hootsuite.